Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for AWS Certified DevOps Engineer Professional DOP. You can download the complete list of AWS-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on AWS DOP is: what is the purpose of AWS config conformance packs and how do they enhance compliance management? Your answer should be AWS config conformance packs are a collection of AWS config rules and remediation actions that help you manage compliance with industry standards and internal policies. They enable you to define and deploy standard configurations across AWS accounts, ensuring consistent compliance and governance. Our next interview question is: how does AWS CloudFormation stack sets facilitate resource management across multiple AWS accounts and regions? Your answer should be AWS CloudFormation stack sets allows you to provision and manage stacks across multiple AWS accounts and regions from a centralized administrator account. It enables you to deploy resources consistently and efficiently across your organization's AWS infrastructure. Our next interview question is: explain the benefits of using AWS Code Commit for source code management. Your answer should be AWS Code Commit is a managed source control service that provides secure and scalable Git repositories for storing and managing source code. It offers benefits such as fully managed infrastructure, secure access control with AWS IAM, integration with CI/CD tools, and seamless collaboration with distributed development teams. Our next interview question is: what are the different deployment strategies supported by AWS Code Deploy and when would you use each one? Your answer should be AWS Code Deploy supports several deployment strategies including blue-green, in place, and rolling updates. Blue-green deployment is used for zero downtime deployments, in-place deployment for simple updates without additional infrastructure, and rolling updates for controlled updates with minimal downtime. Our next interview question is: how do you handle secrets and sensitive information in AWS code pipeline? Your answer should be AWS Code Pipeline integrates with AWS Secrets Manager or AWS Systems Manager parameters tool for managing secrets and sensitive information. Secrets are securely stored in these services and accessed by code pipeline during the pipeline execution. Our next interview question is: describe the use case for AWS Code Star. Your answer should be AWS Code Star is a unified development tool that provides project templates, code repositories, continuous integration, deployment pipelines, and project management tools. It is used to quickly start and manage software development projects on AWS. Our next interview question is: how do you implement continuous monitoring and alerting in AWS environments? Your answer should be continuous monitoring and alerting in AWS environments can be implemented using Amazon CloudWatch for monitoring metrics, logs, and events, along with CloudWatch alarms for setting up alerts based on predefined thresholds. If you are preparing for any AWS-based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.